Yo, what is up, guys? Today another live trade session. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be taking a trade. Price look kind of choppy as of right now. Not sure what price wants to do. We're kind of in a weird range right now. Like we're in this range right now, as you guys can see. We did take out Asia high. We do have like couple. We do have these highs sitting around here. I'm not. I don't think we're gonna reach this, but we do have them right there. What I think is more likely to happen is that we might make a retracement, sweep Asia low right here. This one maybe one of my draws. Then we sweep Asia low, rebalance some of the move that we made yesterday because we kind of made quite a large move. Because we did that, we didn't really get any retracement into this. So I think we could get to the 50% of this. So I'm looking more bearish than bullish. How's the lower time frame aligning? Lower time frame is aligning with that as well. We're making lower lows. This is internal. I wouldn't really say that as like a big low and wouldn't be really too concerned about that. Do I want to be taking the trade right off this somewhere? I don't really think so. Why is that? We do close above this on the 2 minute. Is this a trade? Like this is really choppy, bro. Like, but if anything, I want to be going short. If we go all the way back up in here, if we do retrace all the way up back in here and we fail to sweep this high, I might be going short, but like I will be really looking at the possibilities of what could happen. We have this 50%. I will probably be taking it right off here. Take it to this Asia low. So this is gonna be the trade. If I do take it, how many points is this? Could this like 45 ticks? Well, I'm just gonna be seeing what reaction we get out of this. First of all, before I take it, because yeah, it's really a risky trade. We're in consolidation. Usually in consolidations, I don't get the best risk to reward ratios. So yeah, let's see what we can get out of this. Free. So yeah, for now I'm just gonna be waiting. Not gonna do anything, and just see how this plays out. Because we got 10 a.m. in 5 minutes, so yeah, I was gonna be waiting for that. I don't really want to be taking it off like this, because although we do get it respected, feel to go higher. This respects this 50% of this. Could see move low. I don't want to be taking it off of there. Why? It's because we're just in a consolidation, and consolidations are not good times to be trading. So yeah, we're just gonna be waiting. Meanwhile, I'm gonna eat some bread that I got. I'm not sure what this bread is, but like. Yo, this is gonna take a while for it to form. I do think this is gonna be the actual move down. I'm not sure why, like New York, is this less volume? You know, I don't mean less volume, but like weird volume. Like throughout whole of New London, we had pretty good structure, I guess. You could say like this was a good entry point. Maybe even drag it down a bit. That would have been a good entry. Like take this, take it to the highs. I mean, you would have probably kind of stopped out maybe right here if you did trill, and then it would have gone up. But like New York opens and we just do weird stuff.
Like outages, like people couldn't get out, and it was horrible. Like this trader right here, this is a big one that was showing their stop loss completely not working at all. They can't even get out the trade. They have it screen recorded right here, right? This is evidence. Like, hey, if I couldn't get out of a trade or anything, I would 100% screen record. That's your evidence right there. Like just completely being ignored, not working, rejecting, can't close the position. And look, he's up a lot of money right here. He's trying to get out.
Alright, let's see what this does. 10 AM candles literally doing nothing. If we reach this, I'll be taking this trade. If we don't, then I won't.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in.
couldn't. This is what Topstep had to say. Unfortunately, Topstep is unable to provide any adjustments for losses incurred related to the issue. Your screen recording shows you're still being a profit on that trade following the stop loss modification, not submitting, and you still had the ability to close the trade. But they couldn't close the trade. Stop loss literally couldn't get out, everything. Literally right here, literally full evidence right here on this video. And then right here, the chat going crazy on the Topstep right here. Yeah, everyone's pissed. And I don't blame them because it's a huge frustration when you're trading, right? Like usually, like most traders, they trade what? Market open, New York market open around that time, right? It's like the best session of my.
Bro, I'm eating some bread, and this bread is so sweet. It is crazy. I kind of, best case scenario is that we sweep this low or these lows. But as of right now, we're looking pretty bullish. I don't know. I mean, for me, price doesn't have any reasoning to move higher. Like right now, we already took Asia high. Like we took out some liquidity. We did take out these equal lows right here, right of market open. I mean, that could have maybe been the reason why we moved higher. To me, we could like really just balance out this whole move that we created yesterday. So from this to there, like it's more like that makes more sense to me. But like if not, yeah, then I guess price does what price wants. But like for me, it does makes more sense if you just move lower, rebalance price a bit more, and then eventually move higher. Well, as of right now, if price wants to move higher, so be it, and I'll just get stopped out. This is gonna be my only trade for the day. I'm not gonna take something else. Cause bro, this price action is kind of bad. Probably gonna be a loss. Why? Is because we would not have to like come back up all the way here with this candle if we were bearish. Actually, I don't know what price wants to do because we're in consolidation and price just does what price wants. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. I mean, I could have set my stop loss up here as well, but like, was it worth? Would it have been worth? I mean, I could have done this as well, but then with like free micros or something. Yeah, I could have done this with free, but it's fine. So yeah, probably gonna be a loss. Let's see.
Order filled.
Yeah, we just got stopped out. Let's see if this plays out till here. If it reverses from here, it's kind of upsetting, but like it is what it is. If price doesn't reach this point up here, then Yeah, overall, this trade, I don't know. I managed my risk pretty good. Looking back on it, there's not gonna be a trade recap because already the trade played out. Um, what could I have done better? I would not say the only thing that I like realized at this moment that I could have done better, like with the trade itself, was that I could have put my stop loss on this high, for example, instead of this high. But even then, if we like, I should have probably put my stop loss on top of this instead of this. So that's one thing that I see that I could have done better, and then take away 3 micro instead of 4. Another thing is that I should have probably de-risked a bit more because we're inside of a consolidation and odds are less likely to play out. But even then, the loss is not that large. I did not oversize or over leverage on it. So with that in mind, I did not do so bad. Another thing is that I waited. I waited for my price to get to the point where I wanted to see. My reason was like the logic behind the trade was there. I want the price to go lower. We really extended up, and yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it for today's video. It's gonna be my last trading day for this year. I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow or next week. So overall, recapping this December, it was a pretty good month overall. I would say December was a really good month. Looking back on it, we had a couple losing losing trades within on our second week from December. Looking back on it, like this loss could have been avoided. I don't think I would have won this day, and I think Friday could have also been avoided. But like we learn from those losses and we just move on. It's just me that I have to become a better trader. If I become the best trader that I can possibly be, the money will come out of itself. And yeah, that's basically how the game works. So overall, accounts are doing really well. So nothing to complain about. December is gonna be a pretty good month. I feel that December is gonna be a pretty good month. So let's see what I mean, January is gonna be a pretty good month. So let's see what that brings us. For the coming days, like that I'm not gonna be trading, I'm gonna be direct testing a lot more. I'm gonna be looking for more data on my strategy. I'm gonna become way better trader, a person that is worth calling myself a good trader. And yeah. I do have some urges to take another trade right now, but like I know that I should not be taking a trade. Even like there's no really reason for me to take another trade, because even though this is looking kind of good, because I still want us to go down. But like yeah, we're in really low probability odds of trading right now, and I should just hop off the chart, move on with my day, and yeah, that's basically it. But I'm gonna just still see how this trade would have played out. If I were to take the trade on this, I would have probably taken from somewhere like this. Do want to see us sweep this before I take it. If we do sweep that, I would be more leaning toward bearishness. Delete this, delete this, delete this, delete this. This looks like a pretty bearish setup in my opinion. Looks like we're gonna go bearish from right here. Gonna make a reversal, take out all of this, and then take these lows. That's what I'm predicting. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but let's see it. I'm not gonna be taking any trade. So yeah, do feel like taking this trade, but I know it's not gonna be worth it. Price action is really bad. Even look on the 15-second, like what is this price action? If you compare this to like other stuff, like why would you trade this? Thinking about it, right? Why would you even take a trade on that? But let's see. What the fuck just happened, bro? So we're just rage baiting me now at this point, right? Yo, this gotta be cap, bro. This gotta be cap. We rebalance. Tap right into that fair value gap, bro. No way, we gotta be capping. Why does Price need to manipulate me out and then do what I wanted to do? Yo, I'm not gonna look at Price anymore, bro. This is gonna tweak the fuck out. I might just take a look at this in like 2 hours, but like, bro, what? What is what it is. Overall, I don't know what to say. Cannot complain about this month. I did say that already, but like, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. This is gonna be the last video of this year, probably. Not sure what I'm gonna upload, if I'm gonna be uploading, but thank you guys if you watch these videos. I really appreciate it if you watch these videos. I'm not sure if you do watch these, leave a comment so I know that you watched. Furthermore, yeah, I don't know what to say else. 2025 was a interesting year. Did learn a lot, did lose a lot, and coming into 2026, hopefully it's gonna be an even better day. I mean, not even better day, but like an even better year. Ending 2025 was like pretty good. I did 2020, like the end of 2025 was pretty well. I'm doing pretty well right now, but I know that if I don't like hold myself accountable, hold myself like in the good habits, keep on doing the same stuff and with a good fashion way, then it just could all vanish in one, like just like that. It could all vanish just like that. And I do know that like I'm the deciding factor if I'm gonna make it or break it, and that it just all comes down to me. And if I don't like change myself or take a next step into like a better direction, I'm not gonna become a better person. I'm not gonna become the person that deserves these payouts, that deserves this stuff, right? So it all comes down to like, okay, I know that I know what I'm worth. I know that I'm worth this. I know that I'm worth this and this, and then okay, and then just the money will come out of itself. If you know, like, if you don't feel like you're worth the money, you're not gonna get the money. If you feel like you're worth the money, you're gonna get the money. So it also comes down to the self-worth and like other aspects of like the things. But like eventually when you check off different parts of when you become a profitable trader, you have to like start checking off different things. So when you for example know what your strategy is, you know how to trade it, you are funded. For example, trading evals, I was like struggling like 2 months ago with trading evals. I was not getting like passing evals, but then I realized, okay, I should risk more on evals. There's no point for me to trade this long on the eval. I just risk heavy, take good setups, and if I lose, I lose. If I win, I win, right? If I pass it, I pass it. If I blow it, I blow it. I just have to be taking the good setups, look for the good circumstances. And the thing that I realized today is that like I usually always lose in chop. Like why would I have traded this? Is like reason why I traded this is like I feel like I have to trade every day, but like that's also another thing that's like really bad. I saw this happening already. Is that we were in the chop. If I waited for us to get out of this New York opening range, then I would have not had to get stopped out right here. I could have maybe waited. Okay, I could have maybe seen. Okay, we're making a good retracement right now. We got back into here, seeing this happening. Okay, and then stuff like that. But yeah, I can blame the market, but like it all comes down to myself. I took the trade. I'm the one who took it. I'm the one who being accountable, and like there's nobody else that forced me to took this. It was myself that took it. So yeah, that's basically it. So 2026, big things are probably on the way. I feel like thinking about the future kind of scares me and makes me uncertain, but I just have to take it step by step, day by day. I mean, so you just keep improving myself. And another thing that I actually have to start doing is that when I'm be forward trading, that I have to start implementing the stuff that I actually learn about forward trading. For example, I can say that I'm gonna be waiting for like a bigger retracement, or that I'm not gonna be trading consolidations. Then actually don't trade consolidations, right? Because I still trade consolidations right now. If I'm saying to myself, I'm not gonna trade when these and these stuff happen, then I should not be trading, right? But I still trade. So yeah, there's like some gap in between that, me saying that, and me actually putting in those stuff. So that's also another thing that I want to mention. So yeah, overall, what can I say about this trade? Could have been better. Could have waited for us to get out of the consolidation zone, but yeah. Nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. I'm probably gonna be uploading some other stuff. I'm not sure, but I have a lot of not like a lot of stuff, but like I am doing some stuff behind the scenes. So I do expect myself to become profitable next year. Like I know that I'm gonna be profitable next year. I'm gonna become a better trader, gonna become a better person, and like it's fine. It's not. I will not say it's finally time, but like I'm gonna become a better person, and it's just time to lock in. I guess time to lock in. But yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I kind of yapped a lot at the end, but still, if you watch this, comment something, ask me anything, and yeah. See you guys. Bye bye.